Okay.
Hello. We are trying to find the best way to collaborate with the Human Networks Convergence that's going to happen in Barcelona in October 2018. So this is the first hangout to decide how to proceed with the project. Today I checked the Trello and it seems like the space where the event will happen is not mentioned there. Maybe we should ask it. I can contact again to Manel to see where they are going to do it, because I think if we want to have a more physical participation, we need to learn which space it's going to happen. But other than that, maybe we should take the opportunity of this like first meeting to find how we will do it in civic wise, how we will do the project actually. Just like, what's the role of the coordinator really, to kind of make the project brief and try to run the process, or make because I don't think, for example, I shall do any kind of design for the spatial intervention, but I can coordinate in between people, and how we should kind of do the project brief. Maybe we can go, I think, from that way.
Okay. Well, first of all, which are the ideas to? Well, we were talking about in Slack about this like exhibition or exposition or something like that. Well, we have to know. I don't know if we have the resources to do that, because the festival is in October. Yeah, 3-4 October.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Actually, what I'm also thinking is because they want to make a real big festival, as far as I can understand, but they decided that it won't be possible to do it in October. So it might be that these 2 days in October are just for making brainstorms for the festival.
Okay.
That's also a possibility.
Okay.
But
Okay.
I'm still not sure. We can also talk a little bit more, for example, with Christian from Teheredes.
Okay.
Because he's already in, and maybe he knows what's going to happen. Or we can ask directly, what are your expectations? But they seem to be so open, which makes it harder to decide.
Okay. Because I was thinking that thinking in another lighter format for us. I was thinking, just because I think one of our main priorities is to trying to share our experiences in CivicWise, and trying to understand other experiences of other networks like we serve, but like other ones. So I was thinking that maybe a lighter format could be just to organize, and also thinking that one of the things that we can do better is to connect people, or more than to connect people, is like to create the right space to create I don't know how to say, good dialogues between different agents and so on. So maybe it could be just to trying to organize a kind of round table between different networks, like Wizard or Better Than or things like that, and also CivicWise, and trying to organize like a debate between all these networks, sharing their experiences working in this kind of organization, and maybe this is more this fits better with this brainstorming approach of this event in October. and then we can think about for another bigger theme for the bigger festival. But I don't know.
When is the bigger festival?
It is in spring in next year. One of the things out of what you said, Pascal, when you said create a space for good dialogues, I think we can also do it physically.
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, because there are too many groups that are going to participate, and the main thing that Civic-wise is good at is making spaces. So, I mean, not only kind of, yeah, we can also do a real physical space, maybe at the venue. Where
But you mean to design something physical?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Well, the doubt that I have there is that we have the resources for that because it's in October. It's too soon. August, I guess there's some of us, at least me, is going to be in holidays. September, for me also is a very tough month. So I don't know if we have the strength.
Okay.
I don't know how many are we, because right now it's just the three of us. So if we can bring more people, it's perfect. But I don't know.
Okay.
So that's why I was thinking to try to get that that goal of connect and create this space for good dialogue, but in a lighter way. So I don't know.
But I think every partner taking place in this convergence, they are gonna have the same idea of creating a space for good dialogues in a very.
Yeah.
That's why I'm trying to find a wise way of doing it.
Yeah, because this is also that I was thinking too, that this too obvious in a human network festival. I don't know.
And also, we don't know if the space is available for some interventions or not. I mean, if they are gonna make it in a very strict place, we cannot do anything. So this is a big question too.
Okay.
Okay, maybe how we should do is kind of make some clear questions that we ask to Manel.
Okay.
Because I think we have too many parameters that we don't know.
Okay.
But do we know exactly what they want or not?
That is one of the problems. I think they are so open to every proposal. We don't know what they want.
But they have an objective at least.
Yeah, but I think the main objective is to make the other festival in spring. So this is like a preparation for the big festival. This is what I'm feeling, but I'm also not sure. Because it says, the Human Networks Festival is being co-created by a number of networks spread around the globe. There are already over 20 networks. For this season, we are hosting a Human Networks Convergence in Barcelona, so we can all gather in a summit of networks to build trust, find synergies, and co-design the Human Networks Festival. So the idea is kind of to make the festival all together. And this is just a participation. If it is so, we don't even need to make all these meetings. We can just go there.
Yeah, because maybe we just can go and propose a way to co-design the, it's what you were saying at the first time, Pascual. Like propose a way and discuss with the other guys there in October.
But I think if we are not going for this like more physical space, maybe we need to work on a kind of a very, I don't know, civic-wise way of doing workshops. We can, I don't know, we can propose our own local camp networking workshop style. I don't know. I'm just thinking loud. Or we can, as I also told you, we can just work on some questions now, ask them to Manel and meet, I don't know, after we get the answers, then keep working on.
I like the idea to think about these questions. Also, because thinking in terms of questions can also make us think better. So,
First question: where will the event take place?
yeah. Okay. Also define and design. Okay. Here also. I don't know how to say in English. For some.
Hola María, buenas tardes.
Buenas.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I think so. And also when will the final program?
I will put this question also. Yeah. That's a good question.
If no, skip to the last question. If the reply of the third question, is it just a gathering or do we need to plan anything? If it is the first one, just don't answer the rest of the questions.
Okay.
Can we ask if they want to think about it before or just in the event in October?
Sorry, what?
If they want to start before or in October directly.
The co-designing of the festival.
I mean, they want proposals before October or not?
Yeah, this is. I asked, when will the final program of the event be announced? You mean that one, or?
Yeah, what I was asking is if they expect from us that we started to propose things before October,
Okay.
or not, or in October directly.
Yeah, I think they are open right now for anything, but
Yeah, but I understand what Maite is saying, that we just go there and start doing our stuff, or do they want to know before what we are gonna do? Is it what you are saying?
Vale. Va a dejar el coche. Ay, perdón. Sorry.
well, but that is going to be answered by this question, right?
Yeah, and also I will add it to here. Do you expect us to propose some workshops, and do you want to know about our workshop proposals before?
Yeah.
Before the event. Okay.
Okay, here I put this one.
Okay.
Where will we get it place? Okay.
I would change this. Are there any resources?
Okay. Okay. I was also thinking that maybe one thing that can help us.
Okay.
One thing that can help us is to think about what we sir can be thinking, because we were there kind of with local camp. I mean, if we are organizing an event like this one, it is not the same, but we are organizing an open event in which we want for other communities, networks, and people to come in and propose something, as we also want in another approach, but also in local camp. what we would be expecting.
Also specific wise, you mean? Kind of recruiting new members, or I don't know, making a good publicity, this kind of things. Right?
No, but I mean to put ourselves in Wizard position, like trying to
Okay.
think about what are they expecting, and in some way we were there. We were in their position when we were organizing a global camp, for example. Also,
Yes, but I think this is something different than global camp. Also, this is why they call it Human Networks Festival, not We Share Festival. I think the idea is to kind of get together all these communities working in similar topics, so that no one is doing, I mean, not two different organizations are doing the same thing and wasting resources. This is what I see.
Okay.
Yeah, I think the main idea is to kind of share knowledge between all these different groups, different communities who are having the same aim. And also, at least for me, for example, I think I have really misunderstood WeShare, because, for example, they are not like these tech guys. I was thinking that they are more like digital programmers and all these kinds, but they see themselves more as community connectors. So I think it perfectly fits with their idea of community connecting. But this time they are not making it for the governmental organizations, but they are making for the these intentional communities that are already there and who is like them. I understand their point of view, actually, the aim of the event.
Okay.
Okay.
Pascual, but what was you saying is that the event itself is like a local camp.
No. I mean, it's different, but I was just trying to, just trying to think about if I, right now, I was working in the organization of the Human Network Festival, what would I be expecting from other people?
I think let's put this first question as you are saying. Just what are you expecting from the contributing groups?
Okay.
I'm changing it.
Okay. Where will the event take place?
Just sharing knowledge.
Okay.
Or what else? This is also connected with the...
Yeah. And then if it's the first one, you stop the conversation.
Yes.
Where will the event take place? Will it actually take space? The will still design through which comments to. Okay. Just here, let it go. Let's send him another figure. Let's see which comments to see this going to happen. I was also already defined design the wizard. Do you expect us to propose some? No. Okay, I'm going to change the order. Maybe this one here. Maybe this one first here. This one or this one. Make it this. Mm. Okay. Mm-hmm. I was thinking too. We have here about workshops. I don't know if this made sense.
I mean, this is just going to be an email. Don't make it too complicated and
Okay.
extremely structured.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, and
Sorry.
also I think he can also use these questions to answer to everyone. Maybe it would be also good for them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's.
I think this is okay.
Yeah, for me it's also okay.
Maite,
Okay.
did you miss me already?
Yeah. Yeah, actually.
We just met last week, but still. Not even last week. On Monday.
You're not in Budapest, but are you going back to Barcelona or?
From here, I will go to Brussels.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Barcelona days are over.
Oh.
Yeah.
But in September.
Yeah, I will be there in October. And I think in November also I have to be there because I need to present a paper. Well, you know.
Cool.
I will find all the conferences held in Barcelona. So.
I have there your common architecture article to read this summer. So.
Yes, it's an important one.
I want to read it.
Yeah. Okay. I think that's all. I will just send an email to Manel, and then we will see. I think it's also a good push for them so that they kind of have to structure what they want to do.
I was thinking, just the last thing, I was thinking, were you thinking about to share something in Telegram group of Human Network Festival, like Civic-wise, we meet today, and I don't know, a screenshot of the...
No, I don't think so. No, I think that Telegram group is still a bit too much we share people.
Okay.
So let's kind of, let's leave their territory a bit calm now.
Okay.
Then we will kind of invade.
Okay, perfect.
All right. Okay. Thanks a lot, chicos.